Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to unbox iPhone 7 in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the bag. Let's unbox. So what's inside here? Wow. So first thing first is the iPhone 7. As you can see, this is the phone. Wow, very nice. Let's put it here first. And this is the bill inside this. I bought from Pro Mobile. Make friend before make deal. Wow. So we have a tempered glass, just a normal one, not fully covered. It's like this. iPhone 7 8 SE case. Wow, very nice. What else? Alright, the last thing is the power adapter as well as the cable charging with lightning port, as you can see. Nothing else inside. Very nice bag. Alright, so the phone already been set up. Now let's check out the inside. Wow. Very nice. Let's go to setting. Let's check something. Battery health. And as you can see, maximum capacity is 100%. Wow. It's a brand new battery. Very nice. Let's check the sound. So it runs two speaker, up and bottom one. So both of these speaker is still work, no problem at all. Also the vibrate still works. Home button working. Volume up and down is working. Silent button is working. Fingerprint is working. Power on off button is still working. So no touch issue. Camera, everything good. So this is the iPhone 7. I'm so happy. Wow. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my iPhone 7 unboxed in 2022 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. And also, this iPhone 7 has a 32 GB of storage.